pay you.
What? You have the cash?
If you agree to leave them, I'll pay you.
Oh, money. Amazing.
Okay? Is this enough?
Plenty.
Yeah. Could it be counterfeit, boss?
They have serial numbers. It's real, idiot.
Do you believe in magic?
Believe in what? What's that?
What's going on?
Anara
Oh,
Hey,
don't light it on fire!
hey, what are you doing?
Sumanara.
Hey, don't! Hey,
Wait, what?
Mom, I wish you could have been there to see it all happen. Money from the sky. Is this all some kind of blessing? With life being so rough on us, could it be that God sent me a real-life magician?